Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2016 Ford F-150. Under the hood we have a 5-liter V8 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in gray. It looks fantastic. You do have that Ford badging right up front here on the grille, as well as you have the tow hooks just down there. And you do have your halogen headlights right there. They are very bright, as well as you got those fog lights just down there. And coming around the side here, we do have 18-inch rims with Firestone brand tires. I really like those rims. They look fantastic, and there's still lots of tread left on those as well. Now you do have heated exterior mirrors here with the turning signals on them, and you do also have your running boards just along the bottom there. Now coming around to the back here, we do have our 6-foot box. Looks great. You do have the F-150 badging as well as the Ford. And you do have your backup camera there. Now, as long as it's unlocked, you can open this guy, just like that. Lots of room back here. There is the box liner, so nothing will be getting scratched up back here. And you also have the cover there to keep everything that you have back here safe and dry, or out of, so people can't see what you have. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. And we do have our panic button there as well. You can just flick your key out like that. But let's unlock and take a look on the inside here. So on the door here, you do have your electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here and right here. It looks fantastic. You got a handle here with the door opener there. A little bit of storage here and lots right down here with a place for a water bottle. You got electric seats back here as well, or sorry, up here, and you got that and your lumbar support. The seats are very comfortable. The cloth is very nice and soft as well. And then over here we do have our in-cabin light control right there. And we have our off, our on, our daytime running lights, all of those guys right here, as well as the fog lights in there as well right here. And the light for the back. And then this guy does bring in or out your pedals. As well right here we do have the controls over our turning signals and our high beams, as well as our windshield wipers. Okay, on the inside now, let's take a look. Let's start her up. Sounds great. Now in the center here, you got all sorts of different guys. So you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as you have your fuel gauge, your engine temperature, your transmission temperature, and your oil there. Now in the center, we can change it around. We do have our digital speedometer, but we can change that to engine information, my key status, distance to empty, transmission temperature, tire pressure, and then you also have all sorts of different options on the side here, off-road settings, all sorts of different guys. It does say we have 79,000 kilometers, not too many. It's still in fantastic shape. Now you do have the controls over that right here, as well as you have your cruise control options here, your horn in the center, volume up and down, and your skip for your audio there, and then your Bluetooth options just right there as well. Now over here we do have our touchscreen display, so we do have AM, FM, Sirius XM, you have a disc player and Bluetooth audio. You can also hook a phone up through there. You have your navigation here, and it tells you where we are. It does say we're on Rec Place, of course. And then you got your apps here if you want to do that, and you also just have your settings. Now, it does also come with a backup camera, so just like that, looks fantastic. And then up top, you do have your traction control and your hazard lights there. Over here we do have our 2-wheel, our 4-wheel lock, and our 4-wheel low here, and then our trailer brake right there. And then over here we have our CD player with the eject, and oh, missed up here. We got our volume up and down. We do have this guy, which is the on and off. Your presets here, your media, your skips, and then your tuner here. And then down here we do have our climate control, so the power up and down. You have your off, your defrosts, where it's going to blow out of, or sorry, your circulation there, where it's going to blow out of here, and then you have your front, your rear defrost, and then your AC and your heat right there. We do have some cup holders here, and this guy does slide forward just like that. And then you have your aux cord, or sorry, your USB plugins right there. And this guy is your gear shifter, lots of them there. And then we do have 2 more cup holders right here, and our armrest, which is very nice. Lots of room in there as well. You got extra little thing that you can take in and out right here if you did want it, and there's like a little place for some coins in there as well. And then over here we do have a little spot for like a little shelf, and then a locking glove box just right down there as well with your owner's manual inside of it. And then up top we do have a sunglass holder, as well as we have our lights here. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door here you do have the controls over your windows. You got the handle here and how to open it. And then you also have some storage here and some more right down here. Looks fantastic back here, very large. Looks great. You do have the soft seats as well, and you can fold them up as well. You have a little bit of storage in here. You can put whatever you want to. And then you do have a plug-in over here, as well as another one just underneath here. Oh, there it is. And another one right there. So you can plug in your phones or whatever you might want to. And there's our 5-liter V8. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2016 Ford F-150. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.